I hope that we're just able to take it different places, to different car shows and things like that, and just spread the whole meaning of being able to work on something with your kids or just with other people. My name's Kira McDonald. I am 17 and I am building a 1958 Chevy Apache with my dad.
You gotta get that past that loop.
I've always loved restoring cars, always loved cars. That's why I'm in the industry I'm in. My daughter loves classic cars. We came to a point that I was looking at getting something, maybe even something already done, and we decided it'd be a great experience to actually spend the time together from top to bottom rebuilding one of these vehicles ourselves. Good bonding time. 3 months ago we picked up a 1958 Chevy Apache. We tried to go light, but every time we stepped into something a little farther. We're doing things such as we moved the fuel tank out between the rails. We're dropping in a 290 horsepower 350 small block engine in. We're going to redo the interior. We're going to flip the gauges over to electronic. Every bit of this vehicle is going to be touched and redone.
No, you're doing good. See if there's anything else up there that needs to be disconnected.
I think a project like this is huge for the relationship. I think you end up becoming friends with your child as they age. You have a different type of relationship. It's a stronger bond. There's things now that she'll never forget that we did together.
It's something that when we come home at the end of the day after work and stuff like that, we can talk about and we can come out and work on, and it's just a little bit of time that we get to spend together. It means a lot.